Well, I'm gonna show y'all today basic disassembly of a model 870 Express 12 gauge shotgun. As you can see, you always make sure there's nothing in the chamber, nothing in the tube, as you can see. So, first part is done, nothing in the chamber. It's best to put the handle halfway so the bolt is halfway. So now, while pushing down a little on the barrel, you unscrew the barrel cap. It's supposed to be not that hard. Now, with the cap off, the barrel easily slides off, as so. Now, a little tricky, but inside here there's two metal brackets. See the silver right here? To take it out, you only have to push, if you're holding it like this, you only have to push in the left bracket inside while you pull the action, not the action, but the I want to say the pump, but yeah, out, and the whole mechanism comes out. So now here, this is only holding by gravity, let's say, its own weight. Firing pins inside there. Then we have this. We have this. And to reassemble it, do the opposite thing, but instead of only pressing the left metal bracket inside, you have to press in the right one first, then it'll come in a little, and then you press the left one, wiggle it a little bit, and it'll go in. I have to clean it, so I won't be showing the assembly part because I want to clean it right now. So thank you. Basic assembly of Remington 870 Express 12 gauge shotgun.